Okay, running a Bridgeport Harrig Easy Surf. See, it's a Harrig 618 frame. Bridgeport DX Easy Surf control. It's got a new CRT assembly. It's running a surface program right now. It's a little bit of an oops in it. It's gonna grind off 990 thousandths. But it's been running for a while now, so as you can see, it's started down to 700 thousandths. Everything's intact here. Spindle's actually running, can't even hear it. Slide just quiet. It's our inventory number right here, 142938. Slides coming in, Z-axis. Now it's going out. I don't know if you see it, but it's a 1.5 horsepower spindle. Currently wired 230. It's a coolant system that comes with the machine. Nice and clean. Everything's intact. Floppy drive in the back. RS-232 in the back. Okay, I'm going to end this process here. Okay, reciprocate, just straight up reciprocate. Set it for 2 inches. $16 Longer stroke, still nice and quiet. Four jog. Slides jogging in and out. The Z-axis. Nice and quiet. Let's see, jog the Y. Full wrap it up and down.